Um, any message, any special message that you guys want to send to our fans out there na nanonood ngayon?
And also invite everyone to
Yeah,
watch
invite na
tomorrow.
rin. Yeah, invite them na rin.
Hello po sa inyong lahat dyan, sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. And I hope that you guys are having a good time listening to us while we're discussing something or sa interview na to. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. And, you know, sa mga pupunta po sa concert namin dito sa Qatar, National Convention Center, magkita-kita po tayong lahat and mag-enjoy po kayong lahat. That's tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow 8 p.m. Yeah, tsaka may mga tickets po na available sa lahat po ng gustong manood. Pwede po kayo mag-avail ng tickets. Sa saan dyan?
Ayan, sa...
Wait.
Qtickets, qtickets.com.
Qtickets.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Sige, brother,
Thank you for that.
would you like to invite them your way?
Yes, syempre po tomorrow magkita-kita po tayo. Make sure po namin na magiging unforgettable po yung experience nyo. Syempre, especially sa mga kabayan natin dito na namimiss na ang Philippines at ang mga performances na ganito. I-make sure po namin na it's gonna be worth your time and syempre your efforts. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat syempre para sa mga 80 namin.
Okay. Lastly, can we just ask them to say you're listening to Kabayan Radio?
Yeah. Pero wait, they might have some more messages. Sige, go ahead, bro. Yeah, you have any more messages? Okay na kayo? All right.
Yeah,
Still gonna go somewhere after this.
Yeah.
Sa lahat po ng 18 na nanonood ngayon and also mga kabayan natin, sana po yung masuportahan yung musika ng Pilipino. You could listen to SB19. Puntahan nyo lang po ang mga social media accounts namin, SB19 Official or Official SB19. At syempre po, yun nga, bukas na ang concert namin here sa Qatar. And hindi lang yan dyan natatapos ng simula at wakas kasi meron pa po kaming Bangkok and Oceania leg. Sana po ay mabisita nyo rin ang aming social media for that.
Alright.
Thank you.
Also, by the way, later, why don't you tell them to for the press
we're
the press con?
inviting you guys to come over din sa may Mall of Qatar for 7 p.m. para sa ating press con.
Magmamalling kami. Nila pa?
Okay, thank you SB19.
Ayan.
Thank you.
SB19, thank you so much. You know, your collaborations also with the other artists are just amazing.
Congratulations.
Keep on doing what you're doing, pare, and good luck, man. I mean, we wish you all the best.
We'll see you
Nakasuporta kami
later.
lahat sa inyo.
Say Kabayan Radio 94.3 bye. All right.
Yeah, Kabayan Radio 94.3. You're listening to Kabayan Radio 94.3. 1, 2, 3.
You're listening to
Kabayan Radio
94.3.
All right. So guys, FB Live, thank you so much for joining us. SB19 and of course Kabayan Radio hand in hand right here. We'll see you at the Mall of Qatar and we'll see you at the concert.
All right.